Hey Cabin friends, hang out with us by subscribing and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.
Welcome back, Cabin friends!
Hey Cabin friends, we are going to show you how we like to exercise at the kids' cabin today. We're actually in the cabin garage today, glorious place that it is. And we're going to get onto our bikes there in the background. And Clark the Shark and Sosie are going to ride in the little trailer behind my bike there. And we've got Bicycle Barry joining us today for our bike ride and our exercise routine. So we're going to ride about 5 miles uphill to a, we've got a big loud truck in front of us, 5 miles uphill to a exercise park that's up in the hills here near the cabin, and then we're going to exercise and we're going to ride 5 miles downhill on the way back home, which is a lot easier. That's the rest point, isn't it, guys?
Yeah.
All right, we're going to get in the bikes and we'll do some video as we ride, and then some more video as we exercise, and then a little bit as we cruise home. So we'll see you guys in a minute. All right, we ready to ride, Clark the Shark and Sosie? Yeah. What are you guys carrying for us in the trailer there?
Some water.
Lots of bottled water, because it's a long ride and it's pretty hot outside today. It's close to 90 degrees. We're coming into the warm summer here, so we got quite a ride. You boys ready back there?
Oh yeah.
Bicycle Barry and EJ ready to ride? All right. Yeah, we got Sosie. All right, we're gonna head out now, guys. Let's do this. Here comes EJ, and we got Bicycle Barry. We got Clark the Shark and Sosie. Clark the Shark's irritating Sosie, it looks like. We good?
Well, maybe I'll watch the video. Maybe I'll record when we go, Cabin friends.
All right, here we go. Testing my bike riding and camera shooting ability.
I could say. Dad.
How you guys doing? You have a cut?
Yeah.
Well, we'll try to fix that up.
Well, it was basically a scratch, but scratch them up. Anyway, now that's difficult.
Coming up on some farms up here. Cabins in Farmtown, USA. So we got lots of rural farms and stuff as we ride. And we're going to be riding actually up to that hill over there. That's where this exercise park is. So we've got stopping for a water break here. Clark the Shark, you're in charge of the water, so dole some out for everybody, yo.
Oh yeah.
You comfy there, Sosie?
Here you go. Here you go.
We went on a long bike ride yesterday, so EJ's got some good blisters going on his thumb. How are they
Yay.
feeling?
Band-Aid's coming off.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Daddy Joe, I got you your water.
Okay, I'll have some in just a second. Definitely want some more. It's a warm day today. All right, we another water break. Getting about halfway there. How you doing, EJ?
Tired?
Yeah, it's hard to tell from the video, but it's actually very gradual climb to get to this point, and then from just about here on out, it gets quite a bit steeper. We get up into the hill country here pretty soon. Having a quick water break, and then we'll move forward. I'm gonna have me some water now. All right, here we are at the mouth of the hills. About ready to head on up. How we doing, guys? We tired? We ready to go on up?
Yep.
Ready to start the ascent? All right, here we go. How we doing, guys? How's it going, EJ? EJ, how's it going?
Good.
Everyone's good? How are you, Sosie?
100%.
Stop. I said stop.
How we doing, guys?
Let's stop. Someone's out.
All right, did we make it? We made it. EJ made it. We're all here.
Girl, was starting to have sweatier right last time I saw you. Baby!
All right. Let's go exercise, huh?
I'm spaghetti hair.
Spaghetti hair EJ. Don't call him a noob. All right, we're in the exercise portion of this particular park here. We're gonna do some exercising. EJ's over with the dips. You ever done a dip, EJ?
No.
They're pretty hard to do if you've never done one. Want me to show you how to do one?
Yeah.
All right, come here. You hold the camera. Keep the camera on me. I'll show you how to do a dip.
Good old dip.
Yay!
Oh, did you get a drink, Sophie? All right. So this is how you do a dip right here. You get up, and then go down, and then back up.
You want to line your elbows up with your shoulders.
Am I doing that?
You're
Or not?
going a bit too far down.
So it's like
Right
this?
there, that's perfect.
Okay. So that's a dip.
All right.
Should we show them a pull-up now?
Yeah.
Pull up.
That's so there's two ways you can do pull-ups, depends on the muscles you want to work out.
Then
There's
there's
underhand or overhand, like this.
Dad. EJ, come record me.
yeah, the wall.
Is this the wall?
The wall.
Climbing?
Here, I can go up to the top.
All right, let's do some wall climbing here. Sophie, are you gonna do some caveman's DDR here?
Yeah.
It's like a DDR stage without any computer. All right, you guys are climbing up. Just be super cautious. We don't break any noggins here. That would be bad.
I'm doing it.
Bicycle Barry's doing some dynamic stretches and active movement. I think Sosie's always doing dynamic stretches and active movement. Huh, Sosie? What is that? I don't know. What's the guy doing? Are you guys exercising? EJ's up on high.
And the hill to get up here.
Look at this beautiful scenery, yeah. Gorgeous scenery here. And see out there, cabin friends, if I focus out, that big body of water you see way out there is the Great Salt Lake, because we live in Utah, and since this is such a high point, you can see all the way out to the Great Salt Lake. And that big, looks like a mountain out in the lake is called Antelope Island. It's got a bunch of bison on it, and as the name would imply, antelope, and all sorts of cool stuff. We need to do a Great Salt Lake episode, don't you think? Go float in some salty water. Okay, EJ's on the incline sit-ups. Yep, that's the incline sit-ups right there.
There's a lot of things you could do on this lake.
Yeah, dude. This gives you all sorts of different exercise. Clark the shark almost killed himself on whatever the heck that thing is over there. I've never used that. It's some sort of balance board.
Yeah.
Yep, see? Bicycle Barry's showing us some leg lifts there. Actually very good for your core. Exercise that core.
Clark the shark.
This is a pretty good exercise. We need to do this more often when we ride all the way up here and then exercise. And then we get a nice cool down on the way back down, don't we?
I was saying that the uphill is the warm-up. This is the exercise, and going downhill
Is the rest, yep. Looks like Sosie made a friend. Did you make a friend, Sosie? Whoa! Just don't fall down, baby. Let's not have a repeat of yesterday where we skinned our knees up a little bit.
So go play on the park with another child.
All right, Clark the Shark's gonna show us a dip with straight legs.
How do you do a dip?
Are you a dip with straight legs, Clark the Shark?
How do I do a dip?
Well, let's read this thing. It says to do dip with straight legs. Dip with straight legs right there. So you just do dips by keeping your legs straight, and that's how you put your hands. So you can do that on the bar like this. Bicycle Barry can show us this. Yep, just like that. Is that tough? I've never done one before.
Here, let me give it a try.
Oh, yeah, you do it like this.
I've made up my own.
Are they hard?
They're easier than normal dips.
Okay, so they're not as hard as normal. Yeah, normal dip, you've got all your weight.
Yeah.
This kind of dip, the ground's taking some of it, so I could see that being a little bit
We got
easier.
balance beam.
Yeah, that's a balance beam.
Whoa.
Let's check your balance. Clark the Shark, you want to check your balance here? Can't fall off.
Alright, come on.
Can't fall off. Woo! Very nice.
The best way to do balance, best way to stand is like
It's not like that. EJ just showed us what not to do.
like this.
Exactly. All right, we're gonna get a little bit more video or a little bit more exercising in, some video, and then we'll saddle up and head back after we do some more exercise.
What can I do on the menu? This is Caveman DDR.
Yep, we call it Caveman DDR because it looks like a DDR pad, but you know, there's no music or video game.
Look.
Just have to hear the tune in your head, I guess.
Wait. That one. You do an alternate straight leg roll, so like this.
There you go. So that shows you some exercise. This is kind of like, yeah, just like some stretches and movements and stuff, which is probably good to loosen yourself up and center yourself a little bit.
Nice. Here, I'm gonna come up with you. You can't do it? How do you sit on it?
Just don't hurt yourself. That's the most important thing, huh?
Dad, I'm doing this one.
Oh man, that looks legit, dude.
What are you guys doing?
Just exercising and recording it.
I can make a cute video. People think it's hard balancing on that, but I find it easy.
That's good. I almost killed myself on it yesterday, so I think I'm too old for it. I don't think you can teach an old dog new tricks.
You just go like this. You just step right in the middle. What the heck?
I think it's pretty loose now or something. I almost killed myself yesterday.
Step right in the middle and then...
Oh yeah, see, you've got nice balance. If I did that, I'd probably break my ankle.
What do we do with this?
Well, let's read. It'll tell us here what we can do. Does it say on the other side?
Oh, here's one.
Travel. This is called a travel bar. Travel bar climb. You can do a travel bar climb apparently on it.
On here, you can play. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is what I was doing. This is what I thought it was for.
All right, we just got a really good exercise in, didn't we, guys?
Yeah.
And we're getting ready to saddle up and head back home. What do we need to do before we head back home?
Hydrate.
Hydrate. So drinking fountain time. Oh yeah. All right, Clark just started that recording. His first time he's ever done it.
Yeah.
And we're gonna start heading back now, right guys?
Oh, yeah.
And guess what? We're gonna have Clark the Shark do some videotaping as we ride. So the camera work may be interesting because he's never filmed before, but it should be fun. So we're gonna put the strap around Clark's neck so he doesn't toss us out on the road as we drive. And then you're just gonna videotape around, videotape me a little bit as we ride. We ready to go?
Yep.
All right.
So, also, we're leaving the cap on so we get better internet. Okay, I got your face, Dad.
That's okay.
Oh, yeah, this is gonna be
And we're
good.
going downhill for a lot of this, so we'll get going pretty fast, right, Gary?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is some good crap. Okay, this is super fast. Okay. Yeah. So, here you go.
You ready for the downhill portion?
Yep. Woo. Way easier than the uphill portion.
The road over here. Okay, ready for a little bump. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
How you doing, guys?
Good. Fine. And that's that stupid. I want to toss it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool. Honestly, this is pretty awesome. Oh, I like this. Oh, yeah. This is means some good dog dad. By me. Okay, we're stopping.
That's the easy way to ride, huh?
Uh-huh.
Downhill, I hardly need to pedal. All right, everybody, let's wait till EJ gets up here and we'll do a little outro for our cabin friends.
Okay.
How's that sound?
Yeah.
Let me get the camera back. Clark the Shark, you did a great job filming. I bet everyone's gonna like that video.
Yay.
Here comes EJ.
We need to watch that.
Hopefully that was semi in focus, guys, but if not, you'll forgive us. So we're gonna go ahead and say goodbye now. Here are our cabin friends. Bicycle Barry says bye. Sosie, Clark the Shark, EJ.
Bye.
Thanks so much for joining us for our little bike ride and exercise today, you guys.
Yeah.
We'll be doing our new Yumbox video here real soon. In the next couple days, we'll record that and get that posted. So thanks, everyone. Bye, cabin friends.
Bye.